Please be seated. Take any comfortable position for you. You can either sit on a chair or on your mat, as comfortable as you can, or use one of the yoga poses for sitting and meditate. Either Sukhasana, Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana, whatever is best for you. What is really important is that you keep your back straight, possibly your chin parallel to the floor, and you look just in front of you. Stay in this position for a couple seconds. Inhale very deeply, and when you exhale, take all your worries out of your body and of your mind. Breathe in and breathe out normally, without any pressure. And feel your body and your mind beginning to relax. Keep on watching in front of you. Now try to find a point on your screen or on the wall in front of you. Just find a point where you can withdraw your concentration. Look at this point very calmly, without pressure. Breathe in, breathe out, always with your nose. And slowly close your eyes. As your eyes are closed, try to visualize a point between your eyebrows. Try really to move your eyes towards this point. Be relaxed. Your breath is normal. And try to make a little smile with your lips. Now start hearing the ambient sound from your device. Just hear it without judgments, without thoughts. Slowly open your eyes and look at the image on your monitor. Look at an entire image. Your eyes can move around, can stop on some detail, can move again. Connect the sound that you heard when your eyes were closed with what you see now. This sound belongs to that moment and to that place. Now slowly try to point your eyes on what is on focus on the image. And without any pressure, just look at this small part of the full image. Keep a smile on your lips. Keep your breath normal, always through your nostrils. And try not to blink. Your eyes should be kept opened. Now slowly close your eyes. If you feel that your back is a little bit curved, keep it straight. Roll your shoulders. Keep your chin parallel to the floor. And while your eyes are closed, try to see this light that normally at the beginning is relatively small and with the practice will grow. Keep a smile on your lips. Breath is normal. And you're completely relaxed. Now move your concentration to your ears. Keep on listening. No pressure. Now the sound will slowly disappear. Keep on breathing. Stay relaxed. A little smile on your lips. Chin parallel to the floor. Back straight. Slowly open your eyes. Look in front of you. Look at your monitor first. Look behind your monitor. Keep a smile. And look around your room. At the window, the ceiling, the walls, the furniture. Look now at your hands. Open them. Turn them around. Look at your arms. At your body. Then take your hands together in praying position. Make a deep breath with your eyes opened. breathe out. Now breathe normally. Put your hands down. And try to keep this smile for the rest of the day. The practice is now finished. Thank you very much.